Step 1. Apply chuck behind each rear tire. Step 2. Find a secure spot to lift vehicle. I'm lifting from the subframe. Wheel is off the ground about 1.5 inches or 2. Now we'll go ahead and we'll remove the lug nuts. This is a 4 lug and the lug nut size is a 21. Go ahead and remove lug nuts now. Go ahead and remove the wheel. Place wheel underneath vehicle. Now we'll loosen the nut. Oops, wait, don't forget your jack stands. Remove axle pin. Remove axle nut cover. Now we'll remove that axle nut. 32mm socket and a Milwaukee. There's a washer in the middle. Make sure you remove that. And then we'll just hit this with a hammer and a punch right in the middle. And we'll hit it in. Remove clip to release brake line. So you can have some play on moving the hub forward. Remove the strut from the knuckle. Once you've removed the knuckle from the strut, you pull it out, let it drop, push the axle out, as you can see. You push it out as much as you can, and then you should be able to wiggle it out from this side. Carefully pull it out, and then you're going to stick a pry bar back there and pop the rest of the axle out. Now we're going to stick a pry bar right here and bust it out. So once you pop it out, it may drip a little bit of fluid, so get a pan ready and you're out. Now we gotta install the new one.